Taking a look at NIO stock here. NIO stock this week has been such a runner so far. If we go into the 4-hourly chart, we can see the move from the bottom all the way to the top here. It has been about a 30% run. If I go into the weekly chart, I just want to mention that we are now above the middle Bollinger Band, so the bulls are back for NIO. I know NIO here is just not really moving as much today, mainly because the last couple of days we've been moving heavily towards the top side for NIO. And what I like about NIO right now is that there's not a major pullback so far. If there is any sort of pullback, I would keep an eye out for 485. 485 there, possibly 480 going to be a support level to keep an eye out for. And that could be a dip opportunity too. The reason why I'm pointing out the middle Bollinger Band is because since we have broken above it, and we might even possibly end above it during this week, I think it's critical we end above 480 during this week, as that means bulls are back, meaning we could potentially have an upside test of still possibly a 27% move back to the upper Bollinger Band. And the upper Bollinger Band from current price again, it's going to be about a 27% move. If we somehow do break below 480, the downside move is going to be back down towards the lower Bollinger Band, and that's a 30% drop. However, in my opinion, I don't think this is going to happen. We even have support here closer to about $4 as a potential bottom moving forward. I think this dip here to 480, if there is a dip to 480, is going to be a good time to possibly dollar cost average. And I'm also sharing with you guys that we did mention our entry here in this yellow box. That was between 430 to about 440. Now we are at $5.18. We shared this in our free video on YouTube as well. You can go back and watch it. And we also shared this in our Discord. That's about a 17 to 18% move if you bought the top of this yellow box. All right. Again, I mentioned the upper Bollinger Band being at $6.20. I think that is going to be tested here going into the next couple of weeks. So that's something to definitely keep an eye out for. If you're expecting a short-term pullback, I'm watching 480 as a support level. Could be possibly 485. And if the overall market does pull back again, then I would then caution out for potentially even $4 or $4.50 as a support. But again, I don't think we break below 480. I think we test towards $6.20. Let me know what you think down below. Are you bullish or bearish on NIO stock? Link down below in the description. If you don't have a community yet, you can join our Discord. It's free to join. There's over 32,000 members and a NIO chat section. If you are looking for our live entries and exits from 20 analysts, this is stocks and options, you can join our Patreon as we are celebrating our 5-year anniversary. Currently have a 90% off. It's a permanent discount. Patreon link down below in the description, all right? See you in the next video from NIO. Thanks for watching, you guys.